All right, everyone, I'm back here and got a different camera angle here, and I'm doing some simple rifle drills where I'm holding up the gun, and I'm going to give you a bird's eye view of what it looks like through the reflex sight, if you can see that. Maybe slightly out of focus. Let me try to get that in focus a little bit better. There we go. Or darn it. Let me. There we go. All right, so there you go. You can see it through the lens where it is. Maybe I should make it a little bit brighter. A little too bright, maybe. Like, that's about right. I think that's about right. Let's zoom in a little bit. There we go. Let's turn that brightness down. There we go. I'm using it like a lower third. I don't have my flip-up sights. Although if I put my flip-up sights, I wonder what happened. There we go. So you do have the flip-up sights are available. So I'm using it like a lower third. There it is. Sometimes it gets out of focus here. I'm trying to get it in focus. Of course, you want to look through the glass and at your target, but this gives you an idea what it would look like if it was a lower third. It is co-witnessed. There it is. See, the targets are moving. So doing this for 10 minutes really works out your arms. I'm telling you, if you can do this for 10 minutes, you're gonna work out your shoulders. I'm actually wearing a Flexi Freeze vest. It's a vest with ice cubes on it for the most part. and I'm getting a workout, I'm telling you. Oof, you start shaking, your muscles start to ache. I'm only halfway through this. I'm literally only halfway through this. Where's the other target? There's the other target. I would kind of show you what it would look like looking through the rear sight and the front sight, but I can't get the camera that low, so I'm not sure how well it's going to focus, to be honest with you. So maybe this will give you some idea of target acquisition on the Sightmark rear sight. Seems kind of boring to do, and in some ways it is boring to do, but you've got to practice, because holding this rifle is the practice. This rifle weighs quite a bit with the Sightmark on it and the 3x magnifier. Just holding it up and moving it around slowly. This is what an average target would probably move at a distance. The closer they get, of course, they're going to move faster, but at a distance, they don't move that much. You've got the advantage at a distance if they're unarmed, of course. Oh my goodness, I'm getting sore. I'm literally getting sore. Where is that target? Right there. There's that target right there. There you are. Of course, how I would do it is, of course, I'd focus on the target. The red dot will point the way as long as you got it zeroed. Unfortunately, ammo is kind of hard to come by, so I'm not going to the range. I'm using a laser bore sighter. To somewhat, not zero, but it's not zeroed, but it's vertically aligned, I should say. Not quite zero for elevation. Zeroed for wind. Where'd it go? I lost it. There it is. The small targets are really hard sometimes. There's the target right there. I'm using the green because you can see it better in the camera. The red one's hard to see, but with your naked eye, it's a lot. I prefer the red one. So this is what it would look like if you use the Sightmark. Just as good as, well, I wouldn't say just as good as an EOTech, but a lot cheaper, that's for sure. So you get some idea of how it looks. There it is. And again, I'm working out my shoulders. My neck is starting to hurt, my back. Oh my goodness. Holding the weight of all this furniture is getting heavy. All right, there you go. Whew. I'm going to end it right here. Let's zoom out. There you go. So you get an idea what it would look like. Anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this 10-minute video. It it is quite a challenge to hold up a rifle and do this for 10 minutes, just practicing, just to give you an idea what it looks like. Here, let me take this down here. Take this down. So that's what it would look like without the rear sight. But you probably always want to have that rear sight up because you never know when this battery is going to fail on you, and then you can just go back to your backup sights and it'll work just as well. I'm kind of curious, if I put this over, will it show in the camera? A little bonus feature, and it kind of does, but it doesn't. It needs to be up a little bit higher. I don't know if I'm gonna adjust the camera for that, but I just wanted to adjust the camera for this so you could see what it's like, and then the backup rear sights. There you go. And then if you zoom in, that's kind of what it would look like when you're looking through it. It would look something like this. Out of focus. There you go. Still out of focus. There we go. That's what it would look like. It would look like that. Anyways, please leave a comment. Please leave a comment. Please give me a like. Share the video. This is what it's like to hold up a rifle. And please subscribe. Until next time, everyone. Bye-bye.